Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. On a branch office deployment, it has been noted that if the Flex Connect AP is in standalone mode and loses connection to the WLC, all clients are disconnected, and the SSID is no longer advertised. Considering that Flex Connect local switching is enabled, which setting is causing this behavior? Option A. ENWLSI is enabled. Option B. 802.11r fast transition is enabled. Option C. Client exclusion is enabled. Option D. Flex Connect local auth is disabled. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. ENWLSI is enabled. Question 2. An engineer must implement intrusion protection on the WLAN. The AP coverage is adequate and on-channel attacks are the primary concern. The building is historic, which makes adding APS difficult. Which AP mode and submod must be implemented? Option A. AP mode. Local. AP submod. None. Option B. AP mode. Monitor. AP submod. WIPS. Option C. AP mode. Monitor. AP submod. None. Option D. AP mode. Local. AP submod. WIPS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. AP mod. Local. AP submod. WIPS. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.